Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes G-Wagon here on a 2021 plate. This is the W463, I think it is, but it's just a brilliant car. And I wanted to share this with you. I've just done 2 front tires on this, 295 40 22, and the tire pressure warning light is on. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's shut the door first. Right, if you look in here, that's the tire pressure warning light right there. Now all you got to do is you got to use these buttons right here. Now this is a touch display, so once you press back, then all you do is go over it firmly. You can see it moving right at the top there. Right, so what I now do is go on to services. Now keep an eye on that little light there as well. Tires, scroll down. Now you're using this touchpad here. Press OK. Now as you can see, that one's gone, the light's gone. Right, that's all it was. Now to get the check the tire pressures, you can check the fuel cap. It's got the size and the pressures on there, and just put the right pressure in and then reset the warning light. That's all it is. And thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video and share it where possible. Thank you and goodbye.